UK PM Keir Starmer may tighten immigration policies, maintaining ECHR membership. Labour aims to reduce net migration from 350,000 annually. Policies include linking immigration and skills, workforce training, apprenticeship levy, skilled worker, and seasonal workers visas, higher minimum wage penalties, Migration Advisory Committee, health and care visas, family routes review, immigration fees, and Brexit agreements. In today's video, we will look at the new changes proposed by Keir Starmer and the Labour government to various UK visas. So if you've not already, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for upcoming updates. Now let's delve into the video. The United Kingdom has a new Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, who may tighten immigration policies, putting more border checks and raising eligibility for foreigners looking to move into the country. He and his Labour Party's proposed changes to various UK visas are as follows. Work and skilled worker visas. Labour plans to impose appropriate visa restrictions without formally capping immigration routes, linking immigration and skills policy more closely. They aim to address shortages in sectors like construction, IT, and engineering by reforming the apprenticeship levy for skilled resident workers. Sponsors in key occupations must adhere to government-determined workforce plans and fair pay agreements. The Labour government plans to disallow companies from sponsoring workers if they lack sufficient workforce training, remove occupations from the immigration salary list if sectors fail to engage with workforce plans, increase penalties for employers violating minimum wage and other employment laws, strengthen the Migration Advisory Committee and link it with UK-wide skills bodies. Labour also plans to investigate the impact of the Conservatives' increases to salary thresholds for the skilled worker route and the prohibition on care workers bringing dependents. Health and care visas. Labour will establish a body to enforce employment rights and investigate migrant worker exploitation in the social care sector. They do not plan to reverse the ban on family accompaniment for carers and senior carers, creative workers, youth mobility, and seasonal workers. Labour may negotiate new arrangements with the EU for touring performers to ease post-Brexit administrative burdens. They do not plan to negotiate a youth mobility scheme with the EU, but expanding the youth mobility route could address labour shortages in hospitality, retail, and childcare. For seasonal workers, Labour may introduce measures to tackle exploitation. The current government guarantees a minimum 32-hour week for seasonal workers and monitors their welfare. However, recommendations to protect these workers should be considered. Family and settled status routes. Labour supports increases to the minimum income requirement for the partner route, but emphasises a review of family routes for social and economic benefits. Concerns about the administration of the EU settlement scheme persist, and the next government must address these issues to ensure compliance with Brexit agreements and improve status verification systems. Immigration fees. Labour has not announced changes to immigration fees. Recent significant increases in fees and the immigration health surcharge may require evaluation before further adjustments. In a recent TV debate, Starmer vowed to maintain the United Kingdom's membership in the European Convention on Human Rights, calling Sunak the most liberal Prime Minister we've ever had on immigration. Labour has pledged to reduce net migration, aiming to lower the annual figures to a couple of 100,000. They believe not setting a specific target is sensible, but anticipate their policies will achieve this reduction. The Office for Budget Responsibility forecasts net migration to stabilise at around 350,000 annually over the next 5 years under current Conservative policies, without additional measures to lower these numbers. The fiscal impact of 350,000 annual net migration is projected to reduce public sector borrowing by £7.4 billion by 2028-2029, benefiting public finances. A significant portion of net migration consists of international students, whose tuition fees help expand course offerings and compensate for domestic student and research funding shortfalls. What are your thoughts on this? Is he taking good steps? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for upcoming updates. Have a great day!